Okay, we're going to head out and hope for the best. It didn't ever start raining here. It sprinkled a little, but we're hoping we don't get into it. But we may get into it. But the good part is we have our Nelson Rigg Solo Storm rain gear.
With us, so if we need to, we can stop real quick and put it on.
Yeah, we can stop and put it on if we need to.
But it looks like the biggest, darkest part is past us.
Yeah, it's over there. Hopefully we're not going into that, but I don't think so. But I don't know.
We're just going to chance it because we've already been sitting and waiting a while.
Yeah, we can't wait all day.
Yeah, we had our lunch and watched the lizards and stuff play.
Watch the cricket chase the lizards.
Yep.
And the bees. We'll be coming around the mountain. It's sprinkling a little bit.
Yep. Well, hopefully that's all it does is just sprinkle. A light sprinkle's not so bad. It's the pour down that is, but like you said, we can't sit around and wait all day. I mean, we want to get this little...
Oh, it is raining right there.
Oh, man.
Holy cow.
Okay, well...
That ain't gonna work.
We may want to put on our rig. Either that or turn around and go back the other direction and not do this whole trip again. What do you want to do? It is really raining right there.
Mm-hmm.
But we got to find a spot too to pull into to put our gear on. I'd say this is a good spot to pull into to change into our rain gear real quick, because the sprinkles are starting to come down a little bit more. Right?
Mm-hmm.
This is almost the area where I seen those javelinas, I think, just a little bit further down the road. Okay, so I guess it's time to change into our rain gear.
Okay, it's starting to rain, so we got our...
We had to stop and put our gear on.
Put our Nelson Rigg Solo Storm rain gear on. Dang, my hands are wet and these gloves just are not going on. They're not going to go on.
I could have sworn while we was putting our gear on that it was starting to hail a little bit, like a piece of ice went into the back of the trailer.
I wouldn't doubt it. Up here in the mountain. Okay.
Anyways, I guess we're going to give it a shot and keep on going and try to make it all the way through this road today. So we don't have to turn around and go back. And see how far we can get. Hopefully nothing else gets in the way today. He's got to put it into rain gear since
Put it into rain mode.
Rain mode because the roads are getting wet.
Put it in drive, see if that helps.
We got the cover on Cricket, got it strapped down so it don't blow off.
Well, we won't get wet anyway, too bad.
No, not super bad.
Maybe in our helmets a little bit. But...
Oh yeah, shut the visor and lift the mic up.
Oh yeah, you gotta put the mic up under the visor. If you don't, the mic's gonna get wet.
Yeah, and he's gonna sound we're gonna sound a little muffled because of that.
No doubt.
It muffles us, but we've got to try to keep our mics from getting them drowned. All right, we're gonna see how far we can go. Hopefully it'll stop raining a little bit and we can finish out our drive without it raining on us.
It should. I see clear skies up there once we get past this.
But we knew we was going to have to change into these once we seen that big white stuff. That means rain here.
Yeah.
I mean,
so we got this Nelson Rigg Solo Storm rain gear, and the cool part about it is, if you get the, we have the Nelson Rigg dry roll bags, the 10 liter, then all your rain gear for one person fits right in one of those 10 liter bags. So we have 2 of the 10 liter bags. We keep our rain gear in it.
and we put our names on our bag that way so we know whose is whose when we're putting on instead of confused.
Yeah. That way, yeah.
Whose.
That way, when we're in a hurry, we got to jump off the bike, throw it on. We can grab the right bag and get to going, putting the gear on. It's raining hard enough now. We would have got pretty soaked.
Oh yeah.
It's not pouring, but it's raining hard enough. Big drops too that we would be soaked. The bike is soaked.
Right where we stopped to put our gear on, it was barely sprinkling, and by the time we got our gear on, it was coming down pretty good.
Yeah. I stopped the camera while I was trying to put the gear on, but what is this in the road? Cows.
Yep. A calf and a cow.
Right in our lane coming this way. Hopefully there's not a car coming. Well, she may be going to get over. Is she going to get over or am I going to get over?
She's trying to herd him to the side. Look
Yeah,
at
she's
that.
making him get over the side.
Good mama. Bye, baby. They're used to the cars.
Mm-hmm.
That's funny. That's the first cows we've actually seen today.
Yep, today.
Last time we seen them as soon as before, actually, because there was one that was out.
Yeah.
Before we even come across the first cattle guard. Look at the sun shining over there.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Trying to figure out where I seen those javelinas at.
It's on up. It was a bare spot on the left.
Right before the bear spot.
Right before that bare spot.
Right before that camping spot.
Mm-hmm.
Because there was that one, and then there was like a little hill climb.
Yeah.
And then there was that spot. Rain. I think it's been raining here for a little bit. Everything's getting saturated.
Mm-hmm. Pretty wet. That's that rain we was waiting for to go by.
Yep.
It just hadn't gone by yet.
We thought it had.
Yeah.
Because it looked like all the dark stuff was past us.
Well, couldn't hardly tell exactly where it was on the radar. It's just not perfectly accurate sometimes. Cows next 20 miles. Well, they are correct about that. The last time we saw cows up here.
Yeah.
Alpine 70 miles and Springerville's 98 miles.
I think that might have been about the spot where the javelinas is at.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think so. We'll see when we get up here if there's a camp spot to the left.
So, man, it's nice now. One thing about it, they can see you when you got this yellow Solo Storm gear. It's bright.
Yep. Oh.
It's also got reflective stuff on it there, so at nighttime you light up. I don't know, it looks kind of dark up here, like more rain.
Good possibility. haven't seen near the deer today either.
No?
Seen a few, but not like last time. It seemed like it was like every 20 feet we seen one, 2 or 3.
Every little bit we saw something.
And that might have been because of that fire.
Oh, yeah, that's true. There was a fire last time off over that direction.
Pushing them off this way. That's probably why we've seen so many turkeys, too.
More cows. It's pretty open up here. It's like a prairie on top of here, and it's 68 degrees, and speed limit's 50 mile an hour.
More cows out here to the right. I like it that they don't brush hog or anything this up here, because I think it looks pretty.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a light faded wheat.
Mm-hmm. That's the way that old dead grass is.
Mm-hmm. More cattle to the left. Moo.
We're going down the mountain now.
Mm-hmm. There's that spot.
Yep.
So it was just right up there.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's where it was. That's where we pulled in, so the pigs is right back there.
Yep, just right around the corner up there. There's an old corral back there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's an old one. Probably like over 100 years old.
Yeah, they probably don't have to worry about forest fires today.
No, not unless it's in an area that ain't getting no rain.
Of course, last time we were here, remember, it was raining.
Just a little bit. It didn't rain like this though.
No, but it was about, it rained as much as it has today, probably, here. It's just not up here. It may be raining more, but, you know, it was, because I thought, well, why are they having a forest fire when it's raining? But I guess the rain helped them, probably.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot
Yeah.
that it did rain. What's funny is that they said that there was a cutoff time for the fire, 8 o'clock.
Yeah, 8 p.m. is when they was going to open the road back up. It's like, oh, so the fire is going to be gone at exactly 8 p.m. or what?
Which we thought was kind of strange.
And it was raining.
I guess the fire knew that it needed to stop at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, they probably told it to stop at 8 o'clock so people could go on through.
I think it was one of those control burns.
It may have been.
Because remember, they did have signs up saying something, other fire starting at such and such. Run, squirrel.
Yeah.
And they're gone today. Those signs are the big boards that they, flashing light boards that told you. That's probably the reason why they knew what time it'd be done.
It says Clifton Alpine Highway. Looking pretty dark up there.
Yeah, and we're probably going to be getting into some more rain. We'll just leave our gear on.
Well, we're rig geared up, I guess.
Yeah, we don't want to have to stop, take it off, put it back on. We'll just leave it on. Just in case. We'll see if we get to drive all the way through today. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's bad rain up there.
Wow, look at them clouds. Well, I don't know.
We shall see.
That looks like some bad stuff. Look at it dumping it over here to the right.
Yeah. I think we better go ahead and end this video here. So don't want the videos too long. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Catch you all in the next video. Right on.